How to find who can post on your profile settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find who can post on your profile settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and go down until you find settings, and then click this one here, profile and tag, and click on it. And now just click who can post on your profile, and as you see here you can manage it. You can make it only for your friends and no one. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.